Okay, so for coffee farmers out there who wants to do climate smart agriculture and sustainable farming, you listen to my advice. For those who have existing coffee trees, I mean old trees, if you want to prevent uh, diseases and virus for your coffee trees, you should plant um, trees that invites biodiversity. I'm talking about birds, migratory birds, insects, and even livestock, because that will help protect your coffee trees against coffee diseases like rust and other stuff. Um, so that's my suggestion. Now, for those who are newbies and want to be coffee farmers and don't have any coffee trees yet, however, they do have lands and existing fruit-bearing trees, for example, coconut, banana, and other trees. For example, if it's like banana, you can plant any type of coffee variety within your banana plantation. So the banana tree or plant will provide shade to your coffee seedling while they're still growing. And then when your coffee trees are mature enough, you have the option to either maintain your banana plant or cut it down and plant new types of tree varieties. Either way works fine. So the important thing is implementing agroforestry to prevent monocropping, because it's very risky, especially with climate change and of course with different kinds of diseases that comes out to each and every agricultural crop. Okay, so if you want to know more about climate smart agriculture and sustainable farming for your coffees, just message me here and I can guide you about that, so that your business will not only earn today but will be sustainable for the long term.